white rectangle now. And here, sour cream and onion. Let's see how this exhaust sounds now. I'm so excited. Dude, I think I just fixed it totally though. Because where I even was able to put the flange back together. It's gonna work now. Haha. Yeah, that's good, dude. I don't know if those zip ties will melt, but it doesn't really matter because why would it come loose? I put so many of them on there. I have more zip ties in case I have to fix it later. Man. It'll stay bent around the exhaust, like it'll stay on there. Why would it fall off? See, that's the thing. I don't know why it would do that. Yeah. Huh?
Wait.
No.
Hey, hold it. Did you just go through the checkout?
I paid cash, sir.
Okay.
What was that guy's problem? Did you just go through the checkout? What was he gonna do? I was already on my way out. Old man. Get out of here, old man. Grandpa, you better not mess with me, punk. I'm out here fixing my car. Well, I'm back down through Wilson. And like, hell yeah. I got the receipt crumpled up in the back of my truck. If you want to see my receipt, go for it, asshole. Did you just go through the checkout? Fuck. Like, really? Is this guy joking? What do you think, I shoplift a baking tray and a couple zip ties? For real though. That was $11, by the way. Why was it that expensive? Man. Like any kind of groceries you get now, it's triple the price it used to be now. Oh wow. Well, at least I'm gonna have just fine mileage. And my car is not as noisy. Now you can hear me talking. Sorry about the last video if I pissed anyone off. I mean, my bad. Sorry, my fault for wasting gas everywhere. Oh yeah, you know what? I'm not really actually going anywhere until I get these emails and texts. Until that happens, I don't have to go anywhere. Might as well go on a bike ride right now. I'll go cruise around like for like an hour, something like that. Like I said, not going to be parked in these places for very long at all. Because everything I own is in my truck. Can't leave it unattended then. What I could do is pull out the bicycle for an hour and be back here and leave. That's what I will do. I was just here earlier, right? Not sure if y'all saw the previous video, but yeah, I did. I came like here, radio station. I came there. Now I'm back. Isn't that just nice? That's just perfect. You like that? You like that, huh? Huh? Yeah. I'll park under the shade. Why don't I get a good old parking spot here? Maybe right here. Oh, that's just perfect right there. Isn't that just nice? Haha. I got the hookup. Now my exhaust is fixed. I won't be wasting gas anymore. It's probably not even leaking. I'm about to go check it, actually. I would like to know, well, would I have to do any more work on it? How hot did this EV get with all that exhaust going through there? Need to see this. I gotta put my hand down by the exhaust and feel if it's blowing. All right, it's pretty toasty. How's my face? just be careful when you work on this stuff. Right now, well, to me, it sort of felt as if that exhaust was about 800, 700 degrees. It's not even that cold today, but the metal, like wrapped around it, same temperature as the rest of the pipe. Why would I have any issues with that? It's just aluminum. Well, it's not like the zip ties would melt around it. What if I'm on the highway for like a day? How would it be afterward? Have to know these things, man.